Hi guys, in today's video, I would like to show you how you can deactivate or delete your TikTok account. First of all, you log into your TikTok homepage. If for some reasons you want to deactivate your account or you want to just delete your account for any reason, you can just come to the homepage, then go to profile. From profile, click on the three button here that will take you to the options. Then click on settings and privacy, and then from there you click on account. Then as you can see here, you can deactivate or delete your account. Once you click on it, it will prompt you to deactivate or delete your account. So you can confirm that and then your account will be deactivated. And there are options there. If you want to just leave it for some days, you can do that for the first option. If you want to deactivate it completely, you can do that. If you want to delete account permanently, you can also do that from the options here. So that's how to simply go about that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post more beneficial videos. Thank you.